What's up, YouTube? So today I'm back with another video. This video is a little different. I'm whispering because I'm gonna cook for him while he's asleep. Y'all, this is my first time cooking an actual whole meal for him. He usually leave the breakfast up to me and I leave the main courses, like, you know, the dinner up to him, because he can cook too. I got my whole little setup right here. I already washed the potatoes because at first I wouldn't think about vlogging this, but then I'm like, why not vlog it? And I'm also making like a little TikTok video. That's why it's in my phone right there. This is the potatoes, salmon. He had a long day at work, so I'ma just be nice and cook for him today. And I'm doing loaded baked potatoes and salmon with shrimp. The shrimp right here, defrosting. And now I'm gonna season up. I'm gonna season up everything. Then I'm gonna put the potatoes in the microwave. See, I do my potatoes to where it's like made fast, but it's still good and it's still cooked to perfection. Put the potatoes in the microwave for about 4 minutes and then leave them in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna wash the salmon off too, wash the shrimp and season all that. Then we're gonna do the potatoes and salmon, and the shrimp is not gonna take long at all. He's gonna be so surprised when he wake up like, this what you've been doing? I really feel like he don't think I can cook. Like, why are you playing with me? I can cook, but I'd rather cook breakfast. So I washed all the shrimp off, washed the salmon off. Why does salmon got bones in it? But I just added the butter to the salmon. I decided I'm gonna put the salmon in the oven. These potatoes in a microwave for about 5 minutes. The salmon in the oven. I'm gonna cook the shrimp and the potatoes in the microwave, and then when that gets out the microwave, I'm gonna put it in the oven so it can finish cooking. So those are the shrimp. 20 more minutes for to take this out, and then I'm gonna show y'all my end result. Okay, y'all, so it's been about 40 minutes. Y'all see that salmon in there sizzling, and now I'm about to dress the potatoes up, and I'm gonna go wake him up. This is his plate. Don't talk about us using paper plates because we don't like to wash dishes over here, so I think sit on a paper plate. I know how I like to get about the whole paper plate debate, but all right, y'all, so that concludes the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. He haven't ate his food yet. I don't know what he's scared of. He think I'm gonna poison him. I don't know. But I'll see y'all on my next video.